Hi guys, it's Inam Ghafoor here with the Samsung Galaxy S3 smartphone, and what we're going to be doing in this video is showing you how you can root your device and give you that enhanced level of administrator access to do tasks like removing network carrier applications like the Video Hub, or some of the inbuilt applications like the Playbooks hubs, or even install applications that need that enhanced level of access like Titanium Backup, for example. So in order to go through this process, what you're going to need to do is check your model number to make sure you've got the same one here, which is GT-i9300, or with a variant T for Tango at the end of it. Any other variation of the Galaxy S3, this process may not work. It may even brick your phone. So I wouldn't recommend it if you've got any other variations. I will also take this opportunity to just point out that neither myself or Samsung take any responsibility for anything that may go wrong with your phone as a result, or if this doesn't work at all for you. So do it at your own risk. You can see that it's running Android version 4.0.4, being Ice Cream Sandwich, and a baseband version of XXLE8. The next thing you need to do is turn on USB debugging on your Galaxy S3 smartphone. So again, how you can get to it is go to Menu, Settings, scroll all the way down to where it says Developer Options, and then put a tick next to USB debugging, and even once the warning appears, click OK to it and then come out the phone. Turn off the device. Once the phone's off, we'll put it into download mode. The phone doesn't take too long to shut off. It should vibrate once it's off, as it does there. Now to get into download mode, what you need to do is press the volume down rocker, the home button and the power button all together until the device switches off. So we'll just press those. There you go, it goes in pretty quick. Once it's in, you can let go of the buttons. And just to give you an idea of what's on the screen, you can see it says warning, a custom OS can cause critical problems in phone and installed applications. If you want to download a custom OS, press the volume up key, otherwise press the volume down key to cancel, and then it gives you options for volume up and volume down. We know what we're doing, so we're going to press volume up, and then it takes you to the downloading mode as it is here. Connect the USB cable so it's connected to a computer. The driver's already installed initially because they were installed when we first plugged in the smartphone to the machine to work as a media device. So that's now connected, and what we're going to be doing is, before we load up Odin, you can see that there's a CF root file, which is a zip file that I've downloaded to put on my desktop. As I say, I will put a link to this file on, or should I say Odin, and this file in the description of the video. So once you've got the zip file, what you need to do is extract the zip file only once. So I'm going to extract it here, and there you go. I'm just going to move the zip file out of the way and move the extracted file here. The extracted file should have a .tar file extension at the end. If you extract it and you come up with two files called image and another one, then you've extracted too far. You need to extract the downloaded file only once, so you have the .tar file extension there. Next, we need to open up Odin, as well. I've got there. I'm running Windows 7, so I'll accept that security warning. Here we go. So you can see Odin's open here. You've got the yellow box on the left hand side, just symbolizing that the phone is connected to the computer and Odin is enabled. If you don't have the yellow box there, I'd recommend that you check your cabling and reinstall your drivers for your phone. Once you're happy there, go down to options here, leave these as standard, do not check any other tick boxes that are in this area here. Just ensure that the auto reboot and the reset time are ticked and nothing else is ticked at all. Next, what you need to do is go down to where it says PDA on the files download section, put a tick next to where it says PDA, and then hit the PDA button. Then navigate to the file that we extracted on our desktop, that TAR file. I'm just going to go to my desktop and scroll down. There's a tar file. Hit open, and then it puts a path in there. Now we're ready to rock. So all you need to do is hit start, and you can see it's going pretty quickly there, and also on the phone as well. You can see the progress bar going across. Now it's finished. You get a green pass on Odin, but on the phone you can see it's already rebooting because it's installed the root file and installed Clockwork Mod Recovery as standard as well. and then it should reboot twice. Once you get the green pass obviously on Odin, you're done, so you can close that down. I'll get rid of that. We'll just wait for the phone to boot back up, and it says it's going through, Android is upgrading. Just finishing off the process. There you go, that's done, so we'll just swipe into the phone. Now what we'll do is we'll just go into the app section, sorry, and then we should see, there we go, the Super SU, the Super User application, and then you've got the Clockwork Mod recovery application as well there. Okay, another way you can test that this is actually working, I've got Titanium backup, so I'll hit that, and normally if you don't have root access it says something like access denied, or you can't run it because you don't have root access. There you go, so it's asking for root access, comes up with a super user request, and we'll grant it. There you go, and it's done. It says it's got the root access, and it's ticked all the boxes there. So root access is working on the Samsung Galaxy S3 smartphone. Any questions or comments regarding that root procedure that we've gone through, please hit them up down in the comment section below there. Hit subscribe from the button up top there. It doesn't cost you anything and it's free, and you can check out what more I'm doing in the future. Thanks for watching, have a good day and see you next time.